Hello guys! In this video I'm gonna show you how you can quickly see how many cores your CPU has. For the first way, you have to right click the taskbar and click on Task Manager. It will open and you have to click on the More Details arrow down below. Okay, then you will go to the Performance tab. It's up there, the second tab on the left. Here you can see information about the CPU, about the memory, your disks, your network connection, your graphical processing unit, but we'll be interested in the CPU. As you can see here on the right, you can see how many cores we have. In this case, it's my old laptop. I have 2 cores with a base speed of 2.29 GHz. It's an Intel Core i5 CPU. So that's pretty easy. You can close this, but you can also just go and see in the system information. Click on Start and type in system information and you will have to open the app. In this app you have all kinds of information, very technical about your system, but we're interested in the processor, and here you can see as well we have 2 cores and 4 logical processors. I hope this information is valuable to you. You can always look it up like this. If you want to know more technical things about your computer, please let me know. I'll make some more videos. And as always, have a nice day.